So we've been asked to find a given that the log of 64 to the base a is 3. So to do this we need to remember the definition of a logarithm, which says that if the log of x to the base a is n, then that's an equivalent statement to a to the power of n equals x. So with that in mind, we can rewrite log 64 to the base 3 as 64 is a cubed, so a is going to be the cube root of 64, so a is 4. Okay, now in part 2, the log of 2 to the base 3 is b. Express the log of 18 to the base 3 in terms of b. So whenever you're asked to do a question like this, what you're going to have to do is the number that you're being asked to express, in this case 18, you've got to give it in terms of the base number and the number that you were given the letter represents. So log of 2 to the base 3 is b, so we've got to write 18 in terms of 2 and 3. Okay, so we know that 18 is 2 9s, but we know 9 is 3 squared. So we've done what we needed to do. Okay, we've written the number in terms of the number you were given, in this case 2, and the base, in this case 3. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do then is use the fact that if you have the log of a product, you can write that's the sum of the logs. So log of a times b is equal to the log of a plus the log of b. So we can rewrite that product. So we now can say the log of 18 is equal to the log of 2 to the base 3 plus the log of 3 squared to the base 3. Now we're going to do two things in the next step. We know that from our laws of logs, the log of x to the power of k is equal to k log x. So we can use that to rewrite the log of 3 squared. And we also know from the question that the log of 2 to the base 3 is equal to b. So now we can write log of 18 to the base 3 is equal to log 2 to the base 3 we can replace by b, and we can replace log of 3 squared by 2 log 3 to the base 3. So the last thing we have to do then is to use the fact that we know that the log of any number to its own base is 1. So we can write this as b plus 2 times log of 3 to the base 3 is 1. So we've completed the answer then. So the log of 18 to the base 3 is b plus